Magadini, today I want to talk about the importance of sports. I want to talk about the relevance of including sports mostly in the curricula. It is important because you find out that sport is a certain way of bringing discipline into people. That's the reason why we think it is advantageous for students on campus to enhance or improve their campus life through sports. Sports has actually 3 dimensions of health it is contributing to a human being. So for us to produce a wholesome or a complete student, we need to include or to involve sport in the curriculum. So you find out that there is the mental dimension, there is the physical dimension, and then there is also the social dimension. When we talk the social dimension, we mean the students' network. They always network, they are partnering, they are enjoying, they are taking their mentality off the academics. That way it is enhancing their health. Then mentally, you find out that you are only not focusing on one thing, but you can do other things. As a result, you are diverging, you are multitasking, you are doing other things, which will always enhance your life. So it is important for people to have sports at the university. So there is a danger which is going on around Zimbabwe, the problem of drug and substance abuse. So if we engage students into sports, they will have less free time to themselves. So if they enjoy sports so much, that way it will promote their health. And as a result, we have a way of taking them off the streets, a way of engaging them, a way of enhancing them, and a way of also fulfilling their life. And then they'll always be enjoying it. So we are saying, why not support sport? The support of every human being. You can also be part of it as you try to support teams. At the Catholic University of Zimbabwe, we have so many teams. We have netball, we have soccer, we have rugby, we have volleyball. So those teams need support. For example, at the moment, we need support with first aid kits. We also need support with training our first aiders. So you can come in, you can join. So if you want to support, always get in touch. You can always talk to us, and then we support sports. Thank you.
Hi guys, it's Kara here. I'm a netballer at Catholic University. I'm so interested in netball because I enjoy playing netball. Here at netball, we learn a lot of things, confidence and also unity, because we spend most of our time at training, so it emphasizes on unity. Also, I love netball because when I spend most of my time here, I end up not engaging into different kind of things, such of drugs and fights, and also I would like to thank this university for allowing us to take part of the sports, because it's help us to get our bodies fit. And also I want to tell other students out there that you should come enjoy netball. Thank you.
Hey guys, Murisei ndiri netball ndinotamba paGS, and ndakafarira tamba pashuta because my mother was a shooter. Pavaiva vari kuchikoro vaishuta, and aitova munhu aitotembewa naye, saka izvozvo ndo zvandiri kudawo kwandiri kuti ndivewo shuta samama vangu, plus nditoita shuta anotomirerwa nevanhu kuti shuta ari kupi, bhora ritotambika kana riripo. Ende chakanakira kutamba netball ndechekuti unocreate more friends, unowana mafriends akawanda from different departments and faculty at school, plus munofamba unoita adventure, moenda kwakawanda wanda, UZ kwaunenge usati wambosvika, MSU kugwero stuff. Saka bhora chinhu chakanaka, plus unova fit guys, zvese zvaunoita you'll be fit pazvese, plus unokupa kuti uve healthy. Saka guys, come let's play netball. I love you so much.
Hello guys, it's Kara again at Catholic University. Today I'm here with
Alice at Catholic University. Hello
so,
guys.
Alice is a netballer at Catholic. Hi Alice, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, so what made you get interested into playing netball?
Netball is one of the favorite games I love. it boosts friendships with other universities. Like today we are having friendly matches with youths. So we are going to learn more skills of netball and getting into friendships and know other ways of playing netball and other tricks.
That's so interesting. Panapa ndina chipo musikana anotamba mutambo iwo unonzi netball. Saka chipo chimbondiudzawo chakaita kuti ufarire kutamba netball.
Ini chakaita kuti ndifarire netball pandakangoya paCatholic University. Ndakatsvaga mutambo wandaiona waindinakidza. Then ndabva ndaona kunetball kwakuine vanhu vanga vari jovial plus kutamba kwavaita kwakangondidrowa kuti ndiwe netball.
Alright. Saka iwewe mashoko aunongada kungokurudzirawo vamwe mastudent anoita zvemadrugs zvechi anospenda most of their time kunzoko asingaite zvemasports kuti vauye kunetball, unovakurudzirawo kuti chii?
Ndovakurudzira kuti it's important kuti titsvage something chekuita chiri productive pachikoro. Even though ukasauya hako kunetball, although ndichiva encourage kuti vauye because kunonakidza, unofanira kutsvaga something else to do that can promote your health.
Hanitka. Saka mazvinzwirawo kubva kuna chipo kuti kana uri pachikoro munhu iva uchi-engagewo muma-different kind of sports so that time yako haioccupywe nezvinhu zvakasiyana-siyana zvinosanganisirawo madrugs kana kuti chichi. Saka tinotenda. Thank you.